everyone, this is Lobelia Whispers, and today I am making a hand movement video because a lot of people requested it, so I thought I'd combine this with showing my makeup supplies. First, we have this. That's my brush to bronzing powder on, because I'm a really pale person, and this I use to add bronzing powder to my face, so I will at least look a bit tan, because when I have to wait for the sun to melt, yeah, I'll never. It's a very soft brush, really soft. It was so good against your skin. I actually love applying my makeup because I find it really relaxing. So it's my bronzer brush. Then we have my blush brush. It's to create a shade at your cheeks. It's a really soft brush. As you can see, it's a lot lighter than the previous one because it's just for shading. You dip the brush into the blush powder and gently apply it on your face, just like that, smoothly, gently. As you can see, I find it very important that my brushes are clean, because I don't want that I accidentally used some other color with this and then apply my blush on my cheeks, then the other color will be on my cheeks. So this is my shading brush. I also have this brush. This I use for my not bronzing powder, but my cover-up powder. I don't use it very much because yeah, I wear a bit of makeup, but actually not that much. So this is also again very clean, which I think is very important. Now, something I use every day, my cotton makeup removers. Very great. I spray a bit of makeup remover, one of these, gently remove the makeup from my face. Again, very soft. I hope you guys liked it. I hope the crinkles are not too loud. also have this. It's the one expensive thing I have. It's actually a concealer. It's almost finished. This I use a lot because yeah, I'm 32 almost, and I have a bit of wrinkles, and this is perfect to cover up. So this is my best friend. I don't use a lot of makeup, but this I use every day. Very good product. I'm not sure if I can say that on YouTube. I can't. What else do I have? Oh, yeah. I have my eyeshadow. It's black, grey, and silver. I use these the most because I am a big fan of smoky eyes. This is the perfect palette for smoky eyes. I also have other colors. This is actually plain white. I use it to I use first white and then I apply this. It's actually a base coat that I'm using because when you apply it on your eyes and you don't have a base coat under it, it will get all yeah, it doesn't stay very clean. So if you have a base coat, it's so much better. As you can see, I use a very cheap makeup because I don't think makeup is that important, so I cannot spend a lot of money on it. Yeah, I don't know why. I also have this. Also, again, a very cheap brand. Oops, sorry. As you can see, it's purple, yellow, and green. I'm not sure if the camera does them justice, but they're very, very strong colors. I don't use them a lot though. I use them, I think, once or twice a year when I'm in my crazy mood. So, these two I use a lot. I just had to buy new, so this is silver and gold. I think when you apply gold makeup, it's really classy. I don't know if you guys can see. Probably not. But it's a really rich color. Very frosty. And I think it looks very elegant when you apply it. Then on top, you put some of the silver. Yeah, you're probably not going to see. Probably looks just dirty on camera. But it's actually a really good color. So these are my eyeshadows. As you can see, I don't have many, that's all I have. And I have two lipsticks. I have this. It's a natural. No, not natural. It's a red color. But when you apply it, it's not that hard. It gives more of a glow. gloss actually, because again I don't use lipstick very often. I do use my cover up powder though. And the other color I have is this one. This is a nude color. It has the color of your lips, but with a highlight. So you have very sparkly lips, but not not too much, because it's actually really natural look when you apply these. So this is probably going to surprise everyone, but that's all the makeup I have. 1, 2, 3, 4 eyeshadows, and 1 concealer, and of course my blush, which I can't find anywhere. But that's all the makeup I have. So yeah, I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. I do want to look good, but naturally good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hand movement video, because